Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. I'm Chef Tony and today I'm going to be sharing with you on how I like to make cucumber salad. This is a simple and refreshing salad that's great for summertime, so let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we're going to need 2 cucumbers that have been partially peeled and sliced. We're also going to need half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of sour cream, 1 clove of garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of dill. We're also going to need about 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of sugar, and salt and pepper to taste. First thing we're going to do is start making the dressing for the salad. And for that, we're just going to combine our mayonnaise, our sour cream. Make sure we get all of it. Whisk this together till thoroughly combined. This will take just a couple seconds. And we're going to go in with our garlic, our sugar, our lemon juice, and our dill. Nice crack of salt, a little crack of pepper. We're going to mix this up till it's thoroughly combined. We have our cucumbers in a large bowl. Now we're going to add in our dressing. Make sure we get all of this. Just about. There we go. Now we're just going to toss this all together until it's thoroughly combined. We're going to wrap it and we're going to let it sit in the fridge, I want to say 20 to 30 minutes, and let those flavors really start to come together. And it has marinated. It's looking and smelling delicious. We're just going to plate this up, a nice big old bowl, stack it nice and high. Scoop it down in there. And this is great for barbecues, get-togethers, or just a nice side dish with a steak or something like that. I'm gonna garnish it with a little bit more dill on top. Perfect. Let's get a taste. Alright, let's get ourselves a little bowl of this. Should be good for now. Get a bite. That's so good. Get a nice refreshing crunch from the cucumbers, creaminess from the dressing, get a nice sharp hint of the dill in there. It's a beautiful salad. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to head on over and check out my other channel. It's called Tagged Out. I'll have a link for that down in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.